Starting a Shopify store in 2025 feels like everyone's go-to business plan. It sounds easy. Pick a product, make a website, boom, you're rich by next Thursday. But then you actually sit down to do it, and you're 2 hours deep into picking the perfect theme. Your store looks like it was coded in Minecraft, and you realize you have no clue how to make someone actually buy something. So this video is here to save you time, sanity, and a few refund requests. I'll walk you through how to build your store the smart way. Not just technically, but strategically. This isn't a copy-paste tutorial. It's a no-fluff, tip-packed guide, so you don't waste days fixing things you could have done right from the start. Step 1. Pick your niche. Not just a cool product. Let's start with what most people skip, your niche. Most beginner stores fail because they're basically digital flea markets. One page is selling beard oil, the next one's pushing LED toilet lights. Instead, focus on a specific person with a specific problem. For example, dog owners who live in apartments who need to keep their pets calm, so you sell chew toys that reduce anxiety. That's a clean problem-solution pair. You'll know who you're selling to, how to market, and what they care about. Bonus tip: don't try to sell to everyone, because when you do, you connect with no one. Step 2. Open Shopify. Keep it simple. You don't need fancy paid themes. Start with the free Dawn theme. It's clean, customizable, and mobile-friendly. Add a logo using Canva. 10 minutes max. Choose 2 main colors and stick to them across your store. Too many colors make your site look like a birthday clown's portfolio. Pro tip: don't just build on desktop. Preview everything on your phone while editing. Over 70% of your traffic will come from mobile, and if your site looks broken or messy on a phone, it's game over. Step 3. Make a homepage that doesn't suck. Your homepage isn't a magazine, it's a handshake. So here's the formula. Headline that says what you sell and why it matters. Image or banner that shows the product in action. A clear Shop Now button. Below that, add a section with your top product or collection. Add 2-3 short benefit highlights. Maybe an FAQ or testimonial. That's enough. You don't need 6 sliders, 12 sections, and a quote from Gandhi. Just make it fast, clean, and obvious what your store is about. Step 4. Product pages that sell. This is where most people lose the sale. Your product page has one job: convince someone to click Add to Cart. So stop writing like a boring catalog. Instead, start with a problem the product solves. Show benefits, not just features. Use short paragraphs or bullet points, like this. Tired of your dog barking every time you leave the room? Our anxiety chew toy helps your pup stay calm, focused, and quiet. No training needed. Then follow it with safe, non-toxic materials. Dishwasher safe, tested by 5,000 plus pet owners. Add 3 to 5 good product photos, 1 on a white background and 1 in real life use. And please, check your grammar. You'd be surprised how many stores say things like, "This socks will make your feet happy." Yikes. Step 5. Install only the essentials. Shopify has a million apps, and 95% of them slow your store down or cost too much. Here's a simple, beginner-friendly app stack. Judge.me for reviews, free and lightweight. Shopify email for email marketing. Looks, if you want fancy photo reviews. DSs if you're dropshipping. That's enough. Do not install every upsell pop-up, countdown timer, and fake visitor tracker you find. Your site should feel like a boutique, not a spammy pop-up festival. Step 6. Payments, shipping, and policies. The boring but critical stuff. Part's not glamorous, but it separates the real stores from the sketchy ones. Payments. Set up Shopify. Payments and PayPal. Day 1. Shipping. If you're dropshipping, offer free shipping and clearly state delivery times. Policies. Use Shopify's built-in templates for refund, privacy, and terms. Customize them a little so they don't feel like AI wrote them in 6 seconds. Contact page. Include an email or contact form. Legit stores always have one. Customers do check these pages. They're not optional. A missing refund policy is like putting a neon sign that says "We disappear after you order." Not a good look. Step 7. Launch it ugly. Okay, now listen to this part carefully. Don't wait until your store is perfect. Your first version is going to be kinda ugly. That's normal. Just make sure. It works on mobile, payments go through. Product page makes sense. Your policies are in place, and then hit publish. Post it online. Tell a few friends. Get feedback. Don't spend 6 weeks polishing your homepage fonts while someone else starts selling the exact product you were too scared to launch. Building a Shopify store doesn't need to be complicated. Start smart and launch before you overthink yourself into a coma. The faster you start, the faster you can learn, adjust, and grow. And if this video helped you skip hours of YouTube rabbit holes, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tips to help you build something great. Even if you're starting from zero, this is better every day. See you in the next one.